In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I took these two sell positions, how I took them, why I took them. This first one we called out last night on the analysis video. This second one was a scale in that we had to be very reactive throughout the day in order to get involved with. And these two trades alone allowed me to pass phase 2 of my prop firm challenge. So let's begin. On the monthly time frame, as we have already analyzed in past videos, we are extremely bullish. We had a monthly reject monthly over here, and on the weekly time frame, we had a weekly bullish breakout. So the monthly storyline is bullish, and it seems like we could even be initiating a new monthly bullish storyline from here, as we are having a monthly reject monthly and weekly bullish breakout. We'll have to see how this monthly candle closes. But the monthly time frame is bullish. We've got no levels of resistance in sight in order to act as some form of an obstacle or a target. And on the weekly time frame, we are in a bullish storyline as well. We had a weekly reject weekly over here. And on the daily time frame, we had a daily bullish breakout. So monthly storyline is bullish, weekly storyline is bullish as well. And also regarding the weekly, we have no levels of resistance in sight. Same like the monthly time frame. And on the daily time frame, of course, the daily is bullish as well. Let's have a look here. So on the daily time frame, we had this support become resistance, broke, become a left shoulder. We did a daily reject daily off of this level and one time frame lower on the H4 bullish breakout. So daily storyline is bullish as well. What could possibly stop price? As we analyzed on the previous video, we have this daily level of resistance. So this level can act as an obstacle to the daily and the weekly time frame, because weekly obstacles are daily levels and daily obstacles are H4 levels. So we have this H4 refinement of the daily level, which we had a limit order set last night. Right here. 30 pip stop loss as usual. And we got triggered in with no drawdown. So as I was in the sell position, I had to choose targets, right? So on the daily time frame, I was targeting this level over here. But what ended up happening, this level ended up getting swerved, and so I had to adjust on the fly. So we came down and started rejecting. What did we start to reject? We started to reject this daily level over here. You could mark this one, you could mark this one, it doesn't really matter. But we started rejecting, and on the H1 time frame, we started to form level of support, came down, rejected, broke out, level of support, right? So we were clearly forming a bullish flow from this level, right? So, of course, I became worried about the sell position. I knew that I needed to capitalize on these sells quickly. So, as we started to come up, after rejecting this H4 level and daily level, we formed move this out the way, a new H4 resistance. So if we draw this out, on the H1, we do not have any fresh level, but that's okay. We don't always need an H4 fresh refinement, an H1 fresh refinement of the H4. So I had a limit order set right on this level. And again, 30 pip stop loss, both trades were running, and I had my target set at this level of support, just above it actually, because phase 2 is only 5%. I wanted to have an extremely safe target, as well as this level just so happened to pass the phase anyways. So these were the sell trades. As for more selling opportunities, we have this H1 apex over here. It's not anything on the H4 time frame, but on the H1, we have this level, right? That is what price is currently rejecting. I'm not in this trade. I'm going to show you guys exactly why I'm not in this trade, because as we just analyzed, we have this daily level, which price is rejecting. And on the H4 time frame, this candle just closed 23 minutes ago. We have an H4 bullish breakout. So if the daily time frame closes as a rejection of this level, which is very likely because the daily is going to close very soon, we will have initiated a new daily bullish storyline from this area. So what does that mean? It means that these levels are likely to break. Of course, it's giving a reaction, but all in all, we have daily bullish storyline, weekly bullish, and monthly bullish. So we should be looking for longs from this point out, because as you guys saw, we don't have any levels of resistance in sight. So nothing to stop price. So where am I looking to buy from? Of course, we have this H4 extreme over here. On the H1, this level is not fresh, tapped into. And next, we do have this level, of course, which price just barely missed. If you guys can see that. What other levels do we have? We have this level over here, which on the H4 time frame has been tapped into as well. Okay. We have this level up here. And on the H1, we can refine this to this level. All that's left to do is to add some form of trend line confluence. We have this outer trend line from here and this one right here. So this H1 level is definitely a good trade to be taking. However, we are coming off of the H1 extreme point. But at the end of the day, guys, you either take the risk or you don't. So I hope you guys found value in this video. I hope that you learned something from the trade breakdown. It's been a pleasure. Catch you on the next one.